Health pointers before initiating intermittent fasting. 1. Check with your doctor before initiating intermittent fasting, especially if you are diabetic and on diabetes medications. 2. You can generally take any vitamins or supplements you want while fasting as long as they don't have calories, but you don't need any supplements as you will be eating plenty of nutrient-dense foods every day. 3. You don't have to worry about losing muscle from lack of protein during your fast, as long as you eat adequate protein at the meals before and after fasting. 4. You will not lose muscle while fasting as long as you are exercising regularly, and I specifically recommend resistance training such as lifting weights. 5. Following a LCHF low-carb high-fat diet pairs nicely with intermittent fasting, as both improve fat adaptation a great deal. 6. It is perfectly fine to exercise while fasting, either cardio or lifting weights. Lifting weights is better for body composition and I highly recommend it for everyone, as this will further your goals considerably. 7. Drink plenty of water and non-caloric beverages while fasting. Coffee and tea in the morning make fasting considerably more enjoyable in addition to health and fat-burning benefits and are therefore highly recommended. 8. Don't use intermittent fasting as an excuse to eat tons of junk food when you are eating. Continue to eat responsibly, sticking with whole natural foods with high nutrient density and avoiding processed foods.